going to present a skit regarding the living right for all animals. Let us introduce some characters of animals. Rajesh as sparrow, Rahul as tiger, Tarun as rabbit, Akhil as cheetah, Chaitanya as cheetah, Ramchand as lion, Abhishek as snake, Gautam Sahu as monkey, Rohit Sharma as elephant. All these animals lived in beautiful nature with abundant resources like water and pure air. Once civilization takes place in negative direction, let us introduce some abnormal developments takes place in some sectors. M. Santoshi as industries, B. Swati vehicles, G. Manikanta real estate, Jyoti Swarup deforestation, cell phones A. Monica, Nikit as cell phone tower, Satvik as data book, Venugopal as farmer.
My selfish industries and factories because human establishing myself is enormous. Without myself, no one can move one place to another place. My number also abnormally increases. I increases toxic gases in the all natures.
Myself is mobile phone. If you all are using to me in proper way, I will make you noble people to protect your future through increasing your knowledge. Otherwise, I misuse myself. I'll spoil your time.
Information about red data book. The IUCN is responsible for entering the names of endangered species into the red data book. The full form of red data book is the International Union for Conservation of Nature.
Myself is registered when I saw a forest and lakes and all of without resource as a compartments and lakes.
Myself would trade as a deforestation since I ethnically habitat left for my villages as furniture, ticket house and assessment.
Myself and cell phone have always connected all local radiation because of my harmful radiation sparrows and completely disabled. I am agriculture. Now I am decreasing comparing older days.